Battery corrosion is poisonous and it will destroy your battery and the connection. If you have a toothbrush and baking soda, you can save yourself hundreds of dollars not having to replace the connections, replace your battery, call a tow truck when you're left stranded. I'll put a link in the description to some kits that you can get that will clean your battery terminal. You can buy like aerosol cleaners that will, you know, you can spray onto the terminals. You can then rinse it off. You can buy some protective coating that seals it. And then they also make chemically treated felt pads that go on top of your battery, like around the terminals between the connectors and the battery itself. That will absorb the hydrogen gases and reduce corrosion. Essentially, all you need to do is remove your battery. We'll go negative terminal first, the black one, then positive terminal. And when you reconnect it, do it in reverse order. Take the battery off, and then you're going to clean the connections on the battery, and then you're going to clean the terminals with water. First baking soda, then rinse it off with water and maybe a toothbrush or something to scrub it down. 12 volts DC, which a battery has, is considered safe to the touch. So you're not gonna create a short circuit using yourself by touching the terminals on the battery, but it is still extremely dangerous. And if you were to touch like metal to metal, you could have some kabooms going on. So you gotta make sure you're careful and you understand how like batteries work and what you're doing. So this kit I picked up at just a local auto parts store. I'll link some on Amazon in the description below. Comes with this like wire brush. Clean off the terminals and then clean the inside of the connections. And then it also came with a spray to clean it. And then it came with a spray that you put on after it's cleaned. And then some felt pads you put down that have been chemically treated before you put the connections back on. This is like you do it once, it's done, it's good for the whole life of the battery kind of kit. And so I bought one of those and did that for my battery. I gotta head to the next service call for a solar panel repair, but I appreciate you watching my video. Thanks for checking it out. I hope that this was genuinely helpful information and entertaining. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then check out the other stuff I have going on.